Stains. Oh, it's gone.
That sounds like something worse than broccoli like.
Broccoli?
Look like they're dying, whatever they are.
I don't know what those are.
Eggplant, so oh there's one there.
Oh, my turmeric's looking a bit weird. This is ginger.
I'm ginger too.
Now, Tristan, now.
I had a
Oh, it's gone.
money. Ah, there you go.
I haven't got much pottery done this last week. I've mainly just been at my laptop doing architecture work. Yeah, my laptop just crashed, so I'm taking that as a sign to take a break. And I think I might paint those bow mugs that I made last week. We have recently moved into this house, and so we're still busy building it up. But literally yesterday, I'm so excited, but we got a desk. Yeah, this is our new desk. There's the tissue box that I made the other day so that I have tissues when I cry while I'm working. I'm just joking, I'm very happy. I'm just joking, I love my job. I made that. Oh my goodness, when did I make that? I think like 2 years ago. I was experimenting with using stains. Enough talking. I am going to paint those bow mugs now. This is not going well.
It's okay. It'll be fun. Do you want me to show you?
It's been like 2 weeks since I last recorded, but in that time I have collected some stuff from being fired, which I'll show you in a bit. Yeah, the other thing that I need to do is I have some more stuff to drop off to be fired, so I just need to paint them and glaze them. I also took my wheel out, which you've probably seen previously, but I took my wheel out and I just made a few things on there, which I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, let me show you what I've been working on. This is some of the stuff that I collected. And then matching candle holders, so these are for stick candles. And then these are, I've just put them all in a packet to keep them together, but these are napkin rings and these are cutlery rests. I also did these salad spoons, which came out quite cute. This whole set will be in another video showing from start to finish of making everything. But yeah, this is just a quick little sneak peek before those videos come out. The last thing I got back from the kiln was that lamp base. My siblings actually came up to visit from South Africa, and during that time my brother actually wired the lamp for me, so I didn't show wiring it. I haven't stuck this down yet. I've just put the light bulb on to test it, and it just needs a lampshade. So just ignore that part, but it will, it's not looking pretty now, but just trust the process. So now I'm just gonna paint and glaze and show you what I'm currently working on. This is one of the things I did on the wheel. A sponge holder. And then this is the jar with the lid. So it just fits in. I'm just going to finish these pieces off so that they're ready to be fired.